Hi guys, in today's video, I'm showing you how to seams offline in TikTok. The process is straightforward and effortless, and we will also discuss the benefit of using offline feature on TikTok. So let's jump into the process. The first thing is open your TikTok application. After it open, take a look on the right bottom. You will see a profile icon. Tap on it. After tapping on it, here are 3 lines which are on the right top. Tap on these lines and tap on the last option, Settings and Privacy. And here are the options: Account, Privacy, Security, and Permissions. From here, tap on the second number, Privacy. And here's the option Activity Status. Turn it off, and here you can read the benefit of it. When this feature is turned on, you and your friends will see each other activity status. You can see each other activity status only when both of you turn this on. So it means if this feature on, then your friends can see you are online or offline on TikTok. But if this feature is turned off, then they will not see you are online or offline on TikTok. So is the main benefit of using this feature. By using it, you can show to your friends you are not online on TikTok or not using it. So it was the basic way by which you can seam offline in TikTok.